Today I'm blending in honor of Andrea Butje, a true pioneer in the aromatherapy world who had recently passed away. It's with heavy heart that I send condolences out to family, friends, and everyone in this community who is feeling this loss. She was one of the founders of Aromahead Institute. This is the place where I took my first training in essential oils. Andrea taught me that it's never too late to learn something new, even without any background in medicine, plants, gardening. She gave me the confidence and respect I needed to work with these essential oils, and safely. That was my biggest concern back in the day. Andrea collaborated with distillers and farmers to find sustainable products, which she then sold through Aromatics International, a supplier I still use to today. Here we go, right there. Her smiling face is present in all of the training videos. She made learning easy. She taught me that I didn't have to memorize anything, that I could always have a resource to go back to find the information I needed. One of the key teachings that she always said was the best way to learn is to teach. So every time I'm in front of somebody at a market or a show and they ask me a question about essential oils, her passion just inspires me to share everything I know, and actually to admit maybe what I don't know, and I can look up and I can learn. This modality has truly transformed my life. In honor of Andrea, today I am blending with some of her favorite oils, but still following my intuition. So I felt drawn to specifically start with Vetiver, which was one of her favorites, and then sweet orange, also one of her favorites, but also one of mine, as long as we all know this. So I experimented with cedarwood, with these two, with the Vetiver and the sweet orange. I experimented with open X. I experimented with lavender, which is, again, a good favorite, even one for me that I, started with at the beginning, thought everybody loved. But it really wasn't jiving, and then Frankincense bottle opened up, and then it's like, yeah, I need to be here. So, okay, all right. So I blended with the Frankincense, Vetiver, and sweet orange. Still not giving me that vibe that I need. I went and grabbed for Geranium. So remind you, these are all some of her favorites. So I grabbed Geranium. The minute the bottle opened up was like, yeah, this needs to go in here. So let's figure out how to pull these 4 oils together to see what works. So today's blend is 2 drops of Vetiver. Now, mind you, Vetiver is very thick, so hence the pepette, which I started without it, and as much as I've got a little patience today, I don't have all the patience. So I told you we were going to do a Vetiver. I've got the sweet orange. Now, sweet orange comes out pretty quick. See, this is, oh, look at the patience. I almost got 2 there, which probably wouldn't have been wrong. Okay. At that point in time, I went for 1 frankincense, but wasn't enough, so we're going for 2. Oh, frankincense, you are the lavender to me. It can go in anything. Almost. Then geranium. Ooh, geranium. I'm not a big floral person, but man, geranium sure can hit the spot. So, 1 drop. The geranium, there's the sweetness, the floral. The orange is there, but not the sweetness. So the citrus, the juicy fruit, frankincense, that resin, and then vetiver, that last grounding piece. To be honest, well, I know my previous blend only had 2, but I think this one might need 3. I think I'm feeling Andrea. Oh, that is it. Oh, 3 vetiver, 2 frankincense, 1 sweet orange, 1 geranium. I feel the love. I feel the love of all these plants coming forward. It's making me happy. It's putting the smile on my face that I always saw in Andrea when she taught. Sweet orange. Amazing. So all 4 of these were part of some of the oils that Andrea loved, but in all honesty, she never told anybody. So the kind of stuff's coming out later. So when I started my training, it was at the same time that this book, Andrea's book, The Heart of Aromatherapy, was about to be published, or something in there. So 2017 was around that time period. So this book has 40 essential oils, and what she did is she gave all those oils personalities. One of the first resources I had for my training, along with the resources that gave you in Aromahead Institute. So I want to read Sweet Orange. I wonder if, looking back now, reflecting, if Sweet Orange, being my favorite now, was in here and I didn't even quite realize. So I'm going to read a couple sentences. You have to get the book to find all the good stuff. But sweet orange is the friend you've known for years who never lets you down. Familiar, warm, and always there when you need a bit of comfort. Too true. Visit Sweet Orange at its home in a warm, sunny orchard. You're always welcome, and no worries are allowed there. Sweet Orange will help you let go of anxiety, stress, and frustration. It will massage the tension out of your muscles, give you space to breathe, and remind you of the beauty in your life until you're feeling healthy, revitalized, and optimistic. Andrea, you have taught me the beauty in my life by using these wonderful oils. Thank you for everything you've given me and the aromatherapy community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Happy blending.